In this video, I will show you how to get and set up Threads app for the first time. Threads is an app of Instagram and nowadays this is most trending one. To get this, open your Instagram account. Tap on your profile icon. From here, tap on the three vertical lines for menu. From here, click on Threads. Now follow the screen instructions to get the Threads app. Now install this from the Google Play Store. Now open the app. This app will automatically detect your Instagram account. You can log in with your Instagram account or create a new account. I am going with the Instagram account. You can edit this information or go with the Instagram settings. You can follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram. Click on follow all. Here you can see how Threads works and then join the Threads app. This is the user interface of Threads app. Enjoy the new app, and if you need any kind of solution, any kind of tips and tricks of Threads, you can follow my channel. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends and get connected with the Threads app. If you need any kind of tutorial of Threads app, you can follow my channel. Thanks for watching this video.